Hello there, everyone. What's up? What's up? What's up? Can I get an ow, ow, ow? Welcome to the Ultimate Challenge show, guys. This is Asambe, and of course, Beyonce once said it, girls run the world. And as we are approaching the festive season, we have someone who is just the cherry on top on today's show, guys. Her name is Nomzamo Dlamini. She is a content creator, entrepreneur, and she's also a teacher, right? So we're dealing with people that are multi-talented on Asambe. So today we want to give her the ultimate challenge. We want to see how well she does. And of course, if we're speaking Nomzamo Dlamini, we're speaking everything personalized items, guys. Don't forget, support local, and she's definitely someone who is going to be your plug, guys. So today she's on Asambe, and we want to find out what she has in store for us. We want to take her out of her comfort zone. So let's meet our beauty of today. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm okay,
Hair
my
on
love.
flick. Hair on flick.
Sorry for calling you my love. Session Kai Chene.
We are
So
catching
love of my life.
I can't live without you. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Great. I'm awesome. Yeah, she's up, but I'm doing okay.
Yeah, it is. I'm good as
So
well.
yeah, this is Asambe. Thank you so much for honoring our invite. You look so nice, so slick.
And thank you for having me.
Like I really don't know. Like you look so nice, but I'm just like, let's
Thank
see.
you, and thank you for having me.
Yes, you're welcome so much. And of course, just tell me basically before we even get to today's challenge,
Okay.
tell me more about what a typical day in your life looks like.
My day is actually hectic
Yeah.
because I deal with a lot of people as an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
I deal with different personalities actually.
Yeah.
Hey, labanye
Angifuni
bayalwa.
le mfutshwana, angifuni.
Labanye bayalwa, labanye they're just nice people. But
Yeah.
being an entrepreneur, every day you're dealing with different personalities
Yeah.
from different customers. And also being a teacher, you're dealing with different personalities
That's
as well.
true.
So every day of my life, I'm dealing with a lot of personalities.
Yeah. Okay. So dealing with a lot of personalities.
Yeah.
Today you're not dealing with personalities. You're just dealing with the challenge, ne?
Okay.
So before I give you the challenge, what do you think it's going to be? Because I'm so curious to find out.
I hope it's not makeup.
You hope it's not
because-
makeup? What do you mean? You look. I mean, come on. You should know how to draw a brow. You still don't know.
I can't.
I'll
Oh my
teach you. It's fine.
gosh.
It's fine. So it's not makeup.
I'm gonna be a makeup artist.
Boo, 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 boo. Anyway, so this is your challenge for today. So I just want you to read it, and then
Okay.
you'll show the camera what to follow in.
Alright.
Yeah, mama, all the best.
Yo, marawang tusa ge.
Yeah,
Is it that bad?
no, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Ah, my
Thankfully,
gosh.
it's indoors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a painter.
Yes, and a Tyler.
Yeah.
Yo, Shem.
I'm gonna be painting. Do you have an overall for me?
Well, we got you on Asambe. We
Okay,
got you.
okay,
So how are
thank
you feeling now that you've gotten your challenge?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Asambe. Alright, so this is going to be our location for today, right? This is where you're going to be wearing your overalls and getting dirty. Are you ready to get dirty?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so this is where you're going to be learning, and we're about to meet the person. But before we do
Okay.
meet the person that's going to be helping you with your challenge,
Okay.
I usually ask people that on a scale of 1 to 10, right? You said that's something Talena
Sure.
is, but on a scale of 1 to 10, how well do you think you're going to perform your task today?
I'm giving myself a 9.
A 9, 9 out of 10.
Yep.
Okay, that's like a 90%. That's fine. Ngakubute at the end of the challenge. If,
Okay.
because the person that's supposed to be helping you, who's a villain, is going to be rating you at the end of the challenge. So all the best.
Thank
High
you.
five.
Oh, you're leaving me?
Yeah, of course I have to leave you at some point.
I'm on my own.
You're on your own.
Oh,
yes,
God.
let's go.
But you said forever us.
Yes, forever. But for now, my lady, I'll just leave you for a bit, okay? Yes. Right. Hello.
Hayi nginjani?
Unjani?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila. Ngikulethele nasivakashi sefu Nomzamo Dlamini. Umsebenzi wakhe namuhla kupenda nekufaka ama-tiles. Mhlambe nje umlungisele lokho noma kukhona lokunye lesingakwadada wakho.
Ya, cishe ngiloko kutaba spring cleaning.
Spring
Sekaqedile.
Spring cleaning masekuqedile.
Ngoba umsebenzi kumele ushiye kuhlobile la usebenzela.
Awusebenzi bese sovele uyahamba ngikunjalo. But-ke before ngimshiyela angifuni ukumshiya ne-strangers, ungumngani waSambe ke ngicela kuva kabanzi igama lakho nokuthi wena wenda ini.
Ngisho ukuthi ngi-Austin Vilaya.
Austin.
Yes, director waka-AUS Construction.
Okay.
Yes, it's basically building and construction.
Okay.
Yes, ngisho ukuthi usebenza nge-right.
Yeah, sifuna aphume afake nabo makalapa. Mina I'm ready to see ukuthi utangikhicitela umuntu lotokhona in the future to work in construction, so I'm going to leave her in your safe hands.
Yeah, since our work is practical, ufike la enzaweni le-right.
All right.
Yeah.
Aye, salong ngishiya.
Yeah, okay.
Alrighty.
Yeah, amathulusi i-material yakho le.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stabe sisebenzela la ke namuhla. On the other side, it's painting, as you see.
Okay.
And tiling as well.
Oh, okay. So sexual small ties here, like they.
Yeah, I think I cut along. Oh. Should I think I cut utawukala wafaka isibone ukuthi
wafaka nawe phela wase uyangilahla.
But
ngathi seyangilahla nasethi owafaka.
No, bangishilo. It's Spanish practical.
Okay.
Ugwendi, you learn by doing.
Okay.
The question ngathi symbol is the painting part.
Oh, the ties akusikho symbol. Ziyakhala lapho.
Ufuna besmart. But unesa.
Okay, unam.
Yeah. So long as it's la maybe smart.
All right.
Yes.
Mhlambe bekungeke.
Ufuna ube gentleman.
Okay.
Then so you apply the dough to the
Okay, like laphas.
yes.
Okay.
Asoqala wena sibone ukuthi ngamana usithe nawe ukuthi ehlule. Sisonke. Yes, for spreading, utawusebenzisa this tool.
Okay.
Yes. Ukumcoka ke la ukuthi lama ingabi incane, lingabi incane ledzalakho. So
like libe ngichube ngifake.
Yes.
Okay.
Indlela ukuthi angatobese seka breaker lama tiles.
Oh, like nalincane bese seka crack.
Yes, angikuba nemoya lengaphasi. So ngike lokhanda ukuthi bese sekakha isound ngaphasi.
Okay.
Yes.
No washaka njalo usingawendaki.
Ucheck ukuthi lifake kahle.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Asengo spread kancane ngethi side bese uyaqhubeka. Bese suyaqhubekela sibone ukuthi wena wenda njani but nje akusingo elikhulu. Emvini lomusha nje.
Okay, lama spacers. Lo kuthi ngama spacers.
Yes.
Ukusebenzisa nini ke?
Jose utawubeka le tile qala bese so uyakufaka ke.
Okay.
Yes. Qhubeke. Lo mgcobo nje lo otherwise utamanisa indve le tile kuphela.
Yes, yakhala la.
The rest the rest glue.
Kulula. Sengifome manje ngithande.
Lula. Ngikutshelile unenhlanhla ngabe kuba nayo. Asho stop. Okay, aso spray.
Sengibalekele.
Mkhulu.
Sengididekile la.
Uthi shoda. Na shoda kancane. Sithi. Njengoba ngishito ekuqaleni. Lokumcoka kusilecala lakho lube ngendalo. Lube enough in fact. Okay. Kundela ukuthi
Lokuthi kube level kumcoka.
yes, stayifaka nje nasi.
Okay.
Stayifaka. Ngalinye ilanga utobe usufaka nalawa la latimela ebonze.
Yey, angeke ngilandzele mina ngihamba.
Then to make sure ukuthi libalancile. We use this mallet. No.
Okay.
Mallet ulisika ukuthi libalance.
Hey, tengizolta for guys.
Yes, then you can double check your level.
Okay.
Let
me start this side.
Yes. Now, it's perfect.
Okay, let me go to the other side. I hope it's perfect again.
That's it.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. I did it.
Let's prepare the bones.
Okay.
Before bend, yini lokubhekile ukuthi ukwenda.
Okay.
Especially bones la ngabe fresh. So njengala kume bese liphesha.
Yes.
So nyalo kumele silisemphela. sandpaper yethu hayi. Yeah, can use this one. And then nayaga.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to let's see sandpaper. Okay, then you have to remove the dust. Ngale brush le. Remove the dust. Kuze ngiyatoba nema blisters nasopendi.
Okay. Ndiyabona ngani nase-right. Ngento liyosho phela.
No, but nje sayisukile ngole dust sayise.
Okay.
Yes. And then the shothi stawuta some isifunele i-plaster prime. Siyipreparela for the real paint.
Okay.
Shothi ayithela on this tray. Das bounce and yes. Asambe. Wise ukuthi ama-brush akho ehlukahlukana. Since ngiyalo nje upenda utobe take the other one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Ndakusita kuloko ngoba ngona kufuna ukuthi sizame ukusheshe straight.
Okay.
And then you apply it. Siyavasila siqhubeka kancane ngala ngoba ufuna ukukhumbule le part loyishile like this one.
Okay.
Yes, ushozi nje le singeva siyipenda nyalo start sikuqedza la tabe sekukunika ngalo bese siyafinish.
Mele sithele la.
Yes, sisebenzisa le. For the bigger portion you use
Yes.
the roller
I use
brush.
this brush.
Yes.
Okay.
So you know uthatha pendi la nje.
Okay.
As you roller uyadingenela lo pen.
Oh. Oh, there's no need to put it like inside.
Yeah, just a touch
Okay.
multiple times.
All right.
And then lo kusimbula.
Ngokune experience othi kusimboli.
Usimboli.
Yeze ngikhalela mina la.
Ngiyabona sewendwami. Ukusimbula.
Good food.
Yeah. Angiphethe ngala uzothi nawona wenda le sitobona ukuthi utobe kufana nje.
Mina ngente ngala. Right.
Yeah.
Hey, ngaze ngatesabela.
Ngani kahle ukuthi
Ngathi kulula nakwendiwa ngo.
nami ndawubona kanjalo nasekwendweni. ya uzama ukungemi ke emva kwaleli brush ngoba ukhanza bo-painter sebagcwele ipendi nalaphisweni. You must be next to the brush, not against it.
Okay.
Yeah. Ungema la ngoba sekomile.
La,
Yeah.
Latul.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ngeke liphuke. Yabona ngiserumini lapho sododipendela.
Okay.
Then ngezongabiyela ke ngale.
Ngala.
Labe siphesha khona.
Okay.
Lapho so webbank.
Hena bagezi.
Ngeke ngibe khona.
Sengidbana.
Yeah.
Yini usuthatha uhamba nami indlela yonke?
Yebo. Kunjalo
shit.
but nje there is some point in life la wenda khona.
Bamba yajikelana.
It's growth. Now it's kudzinga nje ukuthi sikumele kome kuphela.
Okay. Otherwise sesicicile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngifuna ukuthi sikumele kome ngikhona ke songaphinza ukuphinze la ngabo ukubonakala ukuthi khona la kushoda khona.
Okay.
Yes. Lengikuthanzile ukuthi she is so fast to learn. Nema-tiles akhe ekuqala njengoba siqalile safaka ama-tiles uwalandzele ama-steps ngendlela lengiyo. Zingamnika nje kuya lapha kubo 7 out of 10 kule tile.
That's not bad.
Yeah, and then on the other side, the painting side, nakhona ngibonile ukuthi she is so quick ekwendeni thing. So nala sengiphephe khona kusmooth njengayo cishe ngathi kuyahamba. And then naloku nje sitawubona sekomile kahle ukuthi kwendekeni. Otherwise upendile wa Nomzamo.
Over 10 painting.
Azuthi rate wena.
I'm giving you a 10, obviously. Pela, I'm my biggest supporter, so yeah. I'm going to give me a 10.
But as a teacher, kumele ngikunike 9.5.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Yeah.
I'm the girl. I did it.
Yes.
It was so nice working with you, and you're the best teacher, Shim. And nje saying that if I get my tiles, my painting, I will do my touch-ups there and there. But it was really a good one. Yeah.
Yeah. Bengingakazi ngatibona ngimthishela ngalenye la.
You were so perfect.
I'll take it into consideration.
Hi. You were so
Otherwise,
perfect.
konke kuhambe kahle. Na ungachubeka cabanga ukuthi ngalenye la.
Hayi siyabonga shothi sifikile sabona sashadisa ke. Thank you.
Okay guys, so I'm back obviously to check on our beautiful guest. She's done with her task for today. So how was the experience, Painter and Tyler, for today?
It was amazing, and
Yeah.
I got myself very, very good marks.
You did?
I did.
So would you, is it something that you would do again, or it's just
I
like,
would.
no, it's
I
not
can
for you?
actually teach someone to do
Yes,
it.
how to do it, right?
Of course I would.
And of course, what did you get from the 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, Bagri Ban?
Okay, on tiling, they gave me a 7 out of
Okay,
10.
okay, fine. I'll take
And
it.
then on painting, I got a 9.5.
9.5. You did say. Kudos to
Thank
you. That's so amazing. That's so amazing. And would you recommend this, like, for women to take up space in construction, seeing that now you have experience in what it's like to actually invest in building a house, renovating, and everything like that?
Of course, I would recommend to women to take. Actually, we are supposed to take up space in anything.
Yeah.
We shouldn't feel like work is gender based, because we can actually do anything. We can actually do anything. We are actually powerful. We can do anything a person can actually do anything that they want to do, actually. I can recommend it. Construction, the best.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is our beautiful guest, Nomzamo Dlamini. Follow her on all her social media platforms for all your personalized items, right? From your t-shirts, your cups, there's everything that you need to find, especially because we are approaching the festive season. She's an entrepreneur, so we always preach that you need to support local. And today, she's a beautiful friend of ours on Asambe, partaking in a task. And she did well, because when we started, she was like, she's going to get 9 out of 10. And her highest mark today was 9.5. Exactly. Which was not bad, if I do say so myself. So we'll see you guys next time. We hope that the episode with Nomzamo was nothing but fantastic for all of you guys. We'll see you guys on next episode, which is going to be on a Saturday. Until next time. Mwah.
Goodbye.